पता है, अगर हम सोचे वर्ड योगी तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, योगी का मतलब कोई होगा पहाड़ों में, केव्स में, कोई गुफा में, हिमालयन माउंटेन्स में, कहीं ना कहीं दैट्स अ वे वी हैव mentally adapted ourselves to think like that. But you never know, mind you, that a true household yogi may be your next door neighbor or somebody who you know but yet don't know, जो रोज़ाना अपना अपना दफ्तर जाता है अपना बैग उठा के, and he's wearing those smart jeans or your suit and that coat, and sometimes you may see him with a glass of wine, और आपको लगता है कि बस इस इंसान में इतना ही है. But you may be mistaken that वो रोज शाम को अपने घर लौटता होगा and must be sitting in his cave, and diving deep within, अपने self को टटोल रहा होता है and trying to reach that consciousness, a super consciousness. And this could be just somebody who you know yet you don't know. My Param Guru, Lahiri Mashe, was a householder yogi. वो रोज़ सुबह अपने दफ्तर जाते थे, काम करते थे, मेहनत करते थे, पैसे कमाते थे. ही वॉज मैरिड विद किड्स एंड शाम को अपने घर आते हैं, अपने केव में साइलेंस में, मेडिटेशन में, अपनी क्रिया योग में बैठते थे. एंड ही यूज्ड टू रीच सुपर कॉन्शियसनेस in such a way that there came a time everybody knew him, everybody wanted the love and wisdom, the bhandara in him, and he was a true householder yogi. And this is what you and I have to strive doing it. And मुझे आज तक कभी भी ऐसा कोई बंदा नहीं मिला जो मुझे ऐसे बोलता हो, आप ये भी हो, आप वो भी हो, आप ऐसे कैसे हो. They all love me, you all love me the way I am. So you all know that here she is, she's going to wear this in the gym, then she's coming and standing and giving a video in a sari, all dressed up, decorated, like literally Shakti in and out, bursting energy within me. You all know that, you all resonate with this energy, because this is the era, guys, this is the era of that spiritual energy ticking within every household, every household energy self. You all have that in you, you all see that in me, and here I am. So yeah, take this bit of energy from me. Thank you so much. I wish and I know that I'm creating a difference here. Take care. Bye bye. I'm heading to the gym.